Hello guys, so in this video I want to teach you how to install or customize any blogger template of your choice. So any website you choose to build. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to install and customize any blogger template. Whether you're building a movie website, a personal portfolio website, an agency website, a business website with Blogger, I'm going to teach you how to get this template, install it and customize it. So let's get started in this video. First, you have to create your Blogger website. So this is my Blogger website. If you haven't created a Blogger website before, please just check my channel. I recently released a video of the Blogger website platform 2023 for beginners, so you can just check that. But if you're watching this video, you're searching for this video, it is because you want to know how to install and customize the Blogger template. So this video is exactly for you and directly for you. So now once you come to your Blogger, click on theme. Now it's going to pop up this area. Now first you have to go download your themes. Now where do you get free themes that are actually good and fast? So whether I get from Sora templates or GoYoBytes, so they are both the same. As you can see, they are all owned by Sora template. So now let's take on this. I think I like this. Now let's click on it, close the ad. Now once you see that you like the template, you're just going to click on download. On this website you download it once. As you can see, I already have it. Now come back to your website, click on this drop down. Now on this part that says restore, this is what you want to use in uploading or installing the template. So for me, I have to extract the template first, which you literally need to do because the template that actually comes in folder, so you want to extract it. So for that, I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to extract it to its own folder. So I'm going to open it. As you can see, it's Softy version. So this is the one I want to install, the Softy version 1.0. So I will minimize this, click on restore, click on upload. Now open it. This is the one I want. Click on open. As you can see, it's saying theme restore here. So just give it some time and it will actually load, and then you are successfully installed the template. As you can see, the theme installed. So now if we go to our website and refresh it, you see we have a different theme. So as you can see, this is it. You could begin customization. I like the feel of this theme. It looks unique and girlish. So as you can see, it has nice design, very nice design. So you can learn how to edit your layouts from your layout area. But for this is not a tutorial for that. Now let me go directly to customizing it. Oh, this is a very beautiful theme. So now let's go for customization. Now for customization, you want to customize your menu area first of all. So to do this, you can do it from two ways. Now either you go to your layout. Now on your layout, you look for the links and then you start editing them. So for this first one, you have some links here. You have your drop down, you have your sitemap. So these links can be found right here. So on this feature, so you can see you have your sitemap, so you can edit them from this area. So assuming I want the first link on the website to be let's call it about ABOUT. Now I'm going to put the about link here. So I'm going to save and I'm going to click on save. Now if I refresh my website, as you can see, I have the first one as an about here. Now you can do the same for the rest. Mind you, there are some icons that are attached to it which you're not supposed to touch, and if you want it, but for me I really do not like the icons there, so you can remove it. They are not very important. So for the first one, we did remove the icon. For this is a second icon to it, so you could just put this same icon back there and you have it. So you have it here guys. This is how you edit the menu from this part. Now the second part you have here, you have the social icon. So to customize your social icon from this part, just click on the social widget, and then you see them here. You can just start clicking on the pen C, put in your social icon name, link, facebook.com/blog whatever your name is on Facebook, just put them here and click on save item. So once you save them, you have them here. Now the second part where you can edit this or customize this is to go to your theme. Now once you get to your theme, click on this drop down and then you click on edit HTML. Now this is only for professionals that actually understand how to edit this kind of thing. So if you don't understand this, don't worry, you can do it from that area. But this customization actually requires some level of HTML, and it can actually edit almost everything on the website. So now let me not waste your time, let me just show you the basic step. Now assume you want to edit this about page, I did the link there. So the easiest way is just to search for it, Ctrl F, about. Now search. Now as you can see, it's going to give you a lot of about also on the website. You're going to look for the one that contains just the about link. So this is it. As you can see, you see the about. As you can see, this is it. For the rest, you see, the reason this like this is because we have just the link on that area. We just did the about. If you remember very well, we did the link out before this part. So that's it. So anyone you want to update, guys, you could just do them from here. So this is the link. Now this is the main part. So let me show you how this works. So let's say about q, and let me click on save. This is the save button here. Now when you come back, refresh this, you're gonna see it's going to have about q. So refresh that again. Okay, so as you can see, it has the q. So you can actually edit and customize your template from here. So guys, that's the two way you can actually edit and customize your website template and design from both the layout area and the coding area, which is the customization or the edit HTML area. I hope I've been able to explain this to you guys. If there's any other thing you want me to do for you in the explanation of Blogger, and you could just go to the comment section of this video and just let me know. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and give this video a thumb up, and share this video if need be to your friend. I really appreciate all the engagement. If you have any question, write me on the description and on the comment of this video. I'm going to try my best to respond to it. So thanks for watching the tutorial, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.